In this video I'll demonstrate you how to get paid per click, which is a new technique to make free money online. This technique is not only new but it's also completely free and available all over the planet. So first let's see if you have everything you'll require to make this work. To proceed, you'll require a laptop or tablet, computer or a smartphone. Number 2, you'll require access to the internet, and number 3, you'll require to know how to click. If you have those 3, you should be eligible to pull this off. Also, I have an outstanding bonus for you at the end of this video, where I will give you a free method that will place everything on entire autopilot, so you can learn passively from those clicks. So hold around and watch until the climax. Before we go distant to this video, welcome to the Money Square, where we will introduce you the most up-to-date making money online concepts, tips and techniques. And don't neglect to subscribe to the channel and blow the like button and press the notification horn so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't skip to leave a comment below. Now let's get around to the video. First and supreme, as you can see here, this technique operates globally. Anyone from anywhere can join this program and start earning money in minutes. And the satisfactory part is that you don't have to sell anything. This isn't an affiliate procedure, it's not a link shortening service, and people aren't required to sign up for anything. They don't require to spend any money at all. They have to do is click non-entity more, non-entity less. Therefore, this is really one of the easiest ways to start making money online on autopilot. So it may be a stream of passive income for you. Here's the idea. You and I, along with 300 million other people in the world, have been using Google as our default or fundamental browser. You have been utilizing Google to search the internet and surf the web for a long moment. But for this technique, we will be utilizing EntireWeb.com instead of Google. This website, like Google, is a free search engine, but the tremendous difference between the two is that the EntireWeb.com will positively pay you for each click. To be more specific, it will pay you 20 cents for each click you get, or $4 for 20 clicks. Because Google is such a massive competition, they're paying you 20 cents per click because Google doesn't. And although both of these search engines are free, and most people would rather use EntireWeb.com because it pays 20 cents per click, which is really decent considering it's free. As a result, you should act instantly and take advantage of the additional website, which I'll demonstrate you in a moment. All you have to perform now is go to EntireWeb.com. Once you've entered, click the menu button in the upper right corner to commit all of the several categories such as home services, free submission, SEO and market, affiliate, directory, advertise and so on. But you must focus on only one category that will produce your money, and that is an affiliate. So simply click it and don't worry, because as I recently stated, you do not have to sell anything or force people to buy or pay for anything. In fact, you'll be paid 20 cents per click if you can guarantee other people who utilize Google on a normal basis to use EntireWeb.com rather. And if they use your link, you'll be paid 20 cents for each click you get, which is extraordinary. As I previously stated, Google is used by practically 300 million people in a daily basis. So there's a lot of capacities. Even if you only suggest 100 people to the website, you'll still be making a ton of money passively. As you can see, you'll be paid for every click you generate, and you can make up to 20 cents for each visitor, which is actually tremendous. The best part is that you'll have a high transformation rate because it's all entirely free and easy. They just require to surf the web as usual using EntireWeb.com. Anyone from anywhere in the planet can join, and it's very easy to get started. Within minutes of signing up, you'll be up and running and earning money from your traffic. You'll see actually how it works, how the dashboard looks like, and how you can remove your money for the time being. Let me show you another extraordinary feature of this website. You will be paid using PayPal, and the minimum payout value is $50. Which may seem like a ton, but you can easily earn $50 with this website and cash out and spend it on whatever you wish. In order to continue after you arrive at this page, you must click the Create Account button to sign up for a free account. Now you must fill out some personal information about yourself, such as your first and last names. You will select your own tracking ID. For example, you can type in some words or phrases that you like, such as my YouTube channel as the Money Square, so my tracking ID will be the money square, and then simply enter your email address for your account. Once you have done that, you'll want to enter additional information about yourself and then barely fill out their payout techniques. However you like to be paid, the best thing is that PayPal is not the only payment choices they have. But simply submit your PayPal email address and you will be paid as soon as you reach the payout threshold. Ultimately read their terms and conditions, and you're done. The full sign-up process should take no more than 60 seconds. Now you may launch earning money for each click you produce, and this is what your dashboard will look like after you log in. Here are all of your campaigns, and if you click home on the left-hand side, you can trace your clicks and the amount of money you've earned. As you can see, since this is a new account, it will indicate 0 clicks and $0. But once we launch getting clicks, these will change and we will begin obtaining money, which we can then withdraw by clicking on the My Profile button on the left-hand side and requesting a withdrawal as soon as we reach the payout limit. So in order to start collecting those clicks, you'll require to first obtain your affiliate link, which is right here on the roof. This is your unique link and you'll wish to copy it, since you'll be paid 20 cents per click if somebody clicks on it. So you're just directing people to EntireWeb.com, where they can surf the web as they generally would using Google. And you've paid for each click, which is entirely basic and easy. Likewise, once you have copied your affiliate link, you may begin sharing it with others in order to build clicks and earn money. Sure, you can share your link on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter and other social media platforms. And you can share it with your buddies and family, and that will absolutely get you some clicks and make you so much money. But if you really want to fix this up on autopilot and potentially reach millions of clicks, you require to use the strategy I'm about to share with you. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a massive thumbs up if you've liked the video thus far, and if you found this video interesting and enlightening, please leave a comment below. We'd like to listen what you have to say. It's now time to get around to work and earn some money. So first, open Google Docs and create a blank page where you can create something instantly and make a call to procedure for your special link that takes them to the EntireWeb.com. For example, I typed better than Google. Try this new and free search engine called EntireWeb and copied my affiliate link right here. It's significant that you include your affiliate link so that people can click on it, and I usually say something along the lines of try it in seconds and tell me if it's really better than Google or not. So include expressions like it's new and it's completely free. This will fascinate more people because they will realize right away that they don't require to buy anything, but they don't require to spend any money, and that they can just try it out for free, and that it only takes seconds, not minutes or hours. That they can do it quickly and see if it's better than Google or not, and that they will now be paid 20 cents for each click they get. Obviously, this is only one of the options. You can also create your own call to action and article with your own script, which might work even generously. So once you've finished writing your article, go to the file button up top and click download, then select PDF document to save it to your computer, and then take that PDF document to this website called slideshare.net, which we'll be utilizing. Slideshare.net is viewed on a monthly basis by people from all over the planet. According to SimilarWeb, thus you have the ability to reach over 107.24 million people with Slideshare.net. The decent thing is that you can share whatever article you have for free. Consequently, you'll be sharing your Google Documents content with your EntireWeb affiliate link. In that way, you can get those clicks on complete autopilot. People that share articles on this website are getting millions of views. As you can observe here, there are over 1 million views, over 4 million views, over 1 million views, and so on and so forth. So all you need to do is sign up by clicking on the sign up button right here on tip. The sign up procedure takes no lengthy than 60 seconds. Once you sign in, just click on the upload button right here. Next, click select files to upload and select your PDF document. Then wait until it loads and then give it a headline. So for example, I'll type in this is better than Google and free, and then a small justification bottom along with your affiliate link. So I have a decent chance of collecting more clicks. Next, select a category from the list and set the privacy to public so that everyone can see it. Next, add tags to it. The additional tags you add, the extra people you will fascinate. Finally, click publish, and that's it. With this article, you have the ability to reach over 1 million people, enabling them to see and try entire web for themselves. On the other side, you will get paid 20 cents for every click that you produce, which transforms to $4 for 20 clicks, $20 for 100 clicks, and $200 for 1,000 clicks, all of which are completely passive and inactive income that you can earn for free with this website. To earn 1,000, all you need is 5,000 clicks, which are effortlessly conceivable because all people have to do is click on your link and manipulate the free search engine in the same way they do Google. So take benefit of this strategy and get started on making money as soon as possible, since in my opinion, this is one of the sharpest ways to get launched making money online and the best way to establish up a passive income source. And that's it. If you're exploring ways to produce money online, and that's it. If you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. Catch sight of you in the successive video.